Yeah, that's a problem, buddy.
What?
The hole.
This hole?
The hole in the head.
In Monday's episode, Ike flipped our 50 horsepower lawnmower. Thankfully, he was not badly injured, but our engine did sustain some damage. The gold painted hood scoop was bolted to the cylinder head, and when the mower rolled, it broke it clean off. I gave Performance 670 a call, and unsurprisingly, they didn't have any heads laying around, since it's a fairly uncommon engine and no one makes aftermarket heads. That meant that if we ever wanted to run this engine again, we would have to repair the damage ourselves. We trailered the mower to Ike's work, a well-equipped mechanic shop with a TIG welder to assess the damage and try to fix the broken head.
So yesterday, the lawnmower flipped on Ike, sent him tumbling.
Being all in the air.
Yeah, we know we have a crack in the head, in the forwardmost
There's a hole
head.
in the head.
A hole in the head. We're going to take the hood off and just kind of see really what's going on. I didn't get a very good look at it. Ike is really confident that this thing we're really going to need a new head.
It'll be fine.
Yeah, we'll figure something out. So how you feeling, bud?
How do I feel?
Yeah.
I hurt, dude. I got all skin up and my bones hurt. And my neck hurts. And my pride hurts. Try not to scratch the scoop.
Oh, and look at the belt too.
Huh?
The belt's all wrapped up in there.
That's
There it goes back to normal.
it. Yeah. You can roll it now.
This 40 series is rated for 8 to 18 horsepower, not 50. Probably also wasn't designed to do 65 miles an hour either. So the parts are not at fault here. It's honestly our fault for putting it on a 50 horsepower engine. Poor scoop. Yeah, that's a problem, buddy.
What?
The hole.
This hole?
The hole in the head.
Oh, yeah.
I think it works confidently.
Yeah, I should. Ah!
Yikes.
Should we give them a call and see if they have another head?
Yeah. So I just got off the phone with Performance 670 to see if by chance they had a spare 670 head laying around, and they don't. Predator really doesn't sell parts for their engines. They want you to buy a whole engine, and when you call about just getting a specific part, ran into the same thing with the starter. They tell you it's going to be an 8 to 12 week lead time. It's usually a lot more expensive than buying an aftermarket unit. Anyway, no one manufactures Predator 670 heads either. So we can either take a head off of the other 670 on the Honda Davidson, send it off to get milled, or we can try to fix this one with a TIG welder. So guess which one we're gonna do?
What are we going to be out of? I mean,
Nothing.
nothing. I mean, we can't mess it up any worse than it. Well, let's just go for it, and whatever happens, happens. If it gets to the point where we think that we're messing up, we'll just stop and take it to a professional.
Sounds good, man.
All right.
Let's get this head off.
Got to get these rockers out.
Oh, that's right.
The rocker assembly.
Dang, I don't remember foul blast or anything.
Somebody gooped the heck out of it.
Yep.
Somebody.
I see a bunch of casting marks, but I don't see any cracks. So that's good. Alright, let's see.
Carnage.
I mean, it's not that bad.
No, it's really not.
I mean, really, I could just probably weld up that hole.
I think we should make it work. Yeah, we should weld that back if we can.
Tell you what, I guess I'll grind a little bit of this out so it'll kind of fit in there.
Thanks. Bye.
Welding the head back together was a tedious process of bending and grinding to fit the broken piece, welding, more grinding, filing, and repeating. Fitting the welder deep enough into the head to weld the bottom of the crack proved to be a real challenge. It would have been a lot easier to weld up the hole all from the outside, but we decided for whatever reason to weld the old piece back in.
I'm gonna spray this way and you look in there, alright?
Yep.
You ready?
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's leaking. Yeah, it looks wet in there. The head has been TIG welded, ground down, and filed smooth. So Ike's putting some blue Loctite?
No.
Is that what that is?
No.
What is that?
It's green.
Oh, it's green Loctite.
Yeah.
And what does that do?
It's gonna fill up any holes.
Okay. So any pinholes we may have, that's gonna fill it up.
Sure.
And we're also gonna add some silicone, right?
Yeah.
Silicone. So we're gonna go have some dinner, come back and try to reinstall. And we're back. The silicone on the head is all dried up. Ike's putting some copper silicone on the copper head gasket. Tell me, is it okay to reuse a copper gasket?
Probably not, but in this case it'll be fine.
Perfect. I'll get him started for you, and you can send him home.
There's a notch in that rocker shaft that's got to line up perfectly with the valve cover bolt. If it's turned, you're not going to get that valve cover on. Okay. Valve lash feels good.
Good.
How many of y'all think this is going to leak? If you think this is going to leak, raise your hands. We need to sign this
And date it.
and date it.
Yeah. Surprisingly, we did not have to add any oil. It was probably over full before the accident. The rear end is jacked up. We're gonna try to fire it. back to fight another battle, man.
All right, dude. Cool. I might just put the scoop on and not bolt it up
Yeah.
to the thing.
Just kind of set it on there so we can
Set it up on there.
put it on the trailer and get it home.
Yep.
Good as new.
Like it never even happened. Let's load this bad boy up.
Like just knocked the gas just to get it up onto the trailer, just like
popped the
kind of
wheelie.
sent you back.
It popped the wheelie.
So the 670 cylinder head is all welded up and the mower is ready for action again. So in an upcoming video, we're going to make a couple final modifications to it, try to do some drifting, some wheelies, to say goodbye to the 670 mower. It's just too dangerous for its own good. It tried to kill Ike, it tried to flip me the other day, and we need to put our drag rail back together. So thanks for watching this video, guys. The damage to the engine really wasn't as bad as I thought. I'm glad Ike was able to weld it up. Check out our new t-shirts, Mini Mayhem at Cars-Cameras.com, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews to check out what we're up to in between episodes. Don't forget about our discount code CC10 at GoPowerSports.com for an even better deal on parts. Press the like button for us to help our content get seen by more people, and subscribe to the channel and press the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.